everybody, I'm here with my super tall and beautiful friend Amy Ruth Feingold, who is not only a cookbook author, owner of a flour company in London, a nutritional therapist, and CBS food reporter who's going to show us how to make a healthy loaf.
Yes, thank you, Marin. You're very sweet.
Thank you. So I'm not much of a baker, so Amy Ruth is going to show me how she does her magic.
So grain-free baking is maybe a little bit daunting. Oh my gosh, how do I do this without flour? But it's actually really simple. So,
okay, I'm excited.
This is made out of 3 ingredients, which sometimes I have like a hard time believing, but it actually works. I'll show you before what this is going to be. This is, I think you can even like
here
see
it's so moist.
It's moist. This is, I mean, it's bread. Yeah, you can eat it.
I can't believe that there's no grain in this.
There's no grain in it.
This is incredible. I'm so excited to make this.
Okay, so here, sorry, you want your coffee?
I do.
Okay, so the 4 ingredients, we have eggs, almond butter, and baking powder. That's it.
Okay, interesting.
All right, so eggs. This recipe calls for 4 eggs. And if you want, yeah, actually it also comes. Okay. Yeah, you can crack these in here.
Okay.
And then after 4 eggs, I just take a jar of nut butter and I stir it around. So you're not getting like the hard nut butter part or not just the oil. So it's really, really nicely mixed like this. Okay. And you just want a cup of the nut butter. And you can do cashew butter, you can do peanut butter. I happen to like almond butter because
this is all going to be edited.
Peanut allergies and peanuts are prone to mold, so
and have aflatoxins which cause cancer. So
we don't eat
peanuts.
You don't need peanuts. Okay. There we go. This is perfect.
Excellent.
And then you just take the baking powder, and it's really just a teaspoon.
Teaspoon of baking powder.
That's it.
I'll take that.
All right, you can lick the spoon.
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
You really want this well mixed.
And if you don't even want to do this, you could use your standing mixer.
Right. Yeah, you can use the KitchenAid right over there. But it's good to get an arm workout. Right, exactly. that's how we develop our biceps here. By baking. Okay, so then you just put it in pan just like this. I already have a little piece of butter.
How big is this pan?
9 by 5.
All right, so we need a 9 by 5 pan.
Exactly. And I just use my hands just to, grease it, get it in the corners so it comes out easily.
Awesome.
And then we just need to put that in a loaf.
All right.
And then we're done. Completely done. Just get a spatula.
That was amazingly fast.
Now here's the thing. You can put in cinnamon, vanilla extract, whatever you want. The concept though is to know that you only have to do this with 3 ingredients.
Which is amazing.
If you want to add a personal touch, you can do chocolate chips, you can do raisins. I personally do cinnamon and vanilla. And we just smooth it. And we're done. Pop it in. I do 350 oven for 350 or 375, depending on if you have a hot oven, for about 25 minutes.
And how do you know it's done? Because everybody's oven is different.
Toothpick, and it should kind of like bounce a little bit.
Okay, so the center should be bouncy.
And here you go. And it's great toasted with butter and jelly. That's how my daughter likes it.
And perfect for kids. And husbands.
Everyone.
Everybody.